What's up everyone, and welcome back to today's video. I hope you're all doing well. In this one I'm going to be trying out some products from River de Loop Young, and I'm quite excited because I do have 3 products in front of me here. And the first one is a highlighter palette, which does have 4 different shades in there, and then we get a liquid lipstick plus a lip liner as well. So here is how the highlighter palette looks like. Of course, so you can see it looks like this. We are getting 4 different shades in there, and I cannot wait to to try to use those. They look absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, that's how they look like. And then we also get this lip kit, which is a liquid lipstick and a lip liner combo in there as well. So let me just go ahead and give it an open so you can see on how what this looks like. So here is how the lipstick looks like. Of course, it's the beautiful more like a burgundy kind of color, and this one is, of course, it is a matte liquid lipstick, and then it does have this matching pencil, which is of course this one here. And as you can see over here, of course, the palette does not have any mirror. I mean, even though I feel like there's the space right here for a mirror to be placed in there, but we don't have any, so it's just like that. What I'm going to do now is just swatch all 4 shades for you on my hand, of course, and then I'm going to apply, some of them, of course, on the face so you can see on how they look like. But yeah, let's go ahead and start swatching this. That's how they look like. I think they're stunning colors. So let's begin with this shade right here, which is the darkest shade. Ooh, you guys can what? Wow, that is pigmentation right there. Look, when I turn my head like that, can you see that? Wow, that's been like too much right there already. Wow, we need to tone that down, otherwise she's looking crazy. Hold on, that's way too much, but that looks beautiful. How much is on this brush? Hold on, let me just take some out. Wow, I like this color actually. Let's go to the forehead. Switching the brush, let's use a different one. Now for the forehead, let's go with this. Let me check my arm first. Which one should I go for? Let's go with this one here. It's one of the lighter shades, and just take a little bit, not so much, and just put this one just around here, just to highlight, the forehead where the sun hits this spot here. You can see that's also nice actually. Depends on how heavy you go. If you're gonna apply way too much, of course it's going to be like, girl, what are you doing? But if you just like, just slightly, just a little bit, especially on the forehead here, you don't want to be, to be looking like a disco ball, but that looks nice like that when you just add a little bit. I don't mind that actually. And she keeps on adding some more. Oh. But yeah, that's a beautiful color too actually. Wow, which one is this again? It's this one here. Doesn't look too bad. It's a beautiful shade too on the forehead. No, because I applied just a little bit there, but you can still see that we have a little bit of highlighter going on there. So yeah, this shade, I'm not mad at this at all. I'm actually liking this too. Although on the arm swatch it looks like, whoa, that is, yeah, it won't really work for me. But because here I put so much, but if you just do like a little bit, then of course you get this beautiful finish which I'm getting here. So that is good. All right, let's move on. Let's try another one. Switching again. Taking this brush right here, and this time I'm going to take this one, which is the second light shade, and apply this one on the bridge of my nose. Oops. And just the tip of the nose as well. Okay, this one, it doesn't look too bad either. I love the finish I'm getting here, you know. It really does look beautiful. Some highlighters, they can sit on your skin to the point that looks like you just like, you know, like throw something on your skin, just stuck in there. But with this one here, it looks beautiful and smooth everywhere, which I love. You can see, you know, you don't really see where the highlighter begins or ends, which is beautiful like that. So this looks nice. Actually, I am shocked with these highlighters. Oh wow, okay. So far we have 3, this and this. We tried them, we are happy with that. You can see, what do you guys think of this one on the nose? I think it looks beautiful. Let me just like pull back a little bit. I think it looks nice. I like this. And again, you can always go, you know, light or heavy, depends on, you know, on how you want your highlighter to look like. But that is perfect, and I really like this. So now we have one more to try, which is of course the gold one, and this one, yeah, but let's try this one on the other side of the cheek and see how this will look like. And again, we're gonna switch brushes. This time we're gonna use this one here so we don't mix the product. Already, hold on, the hair is always on the way. Let's try to get it out of the way, which I should be doing. Alright, so now we're gonna go into the gold one. Oh, are you guys ready? I'm not sure about this one, but anyway, let's go ahead and I'm gonna take a little bit to begin with, because we don't want to. Where is it? What? Did I think I did take some, didn't I? Okay, hold on. I don't see anything there. Oh, the gold one is a no. The gold one is a fail. Oh, that looks quite chunky. I don't know. Oh, no, that is a no. What is this? Yeah, this one looks... Can you see how it looks like there? It's not... No, I'm not digging the gold one. The gold one can come out from the palette, because this is... I'm not getting the same vibe compared to this side here and this side, you know, in my nose. Here it looks beautiful, but somehow here I feel like the gold one is just sits there and I can see all the chunks in there, you know. I can see all the chunks and the glitters kind of, you know, sitting in there. I can see them. And hold on, put a bit more. Yeah, the more you put, the worse it gets. So I'm just going to call it a day, I guess. Let me just try to make it look beautiful. Not that I'm going to change my mind, because it's not happening. And it's not even showing up that much, in all honesty. I mean, look at that. You can only see like a little chunks of tiny glitters everywhere. But where the highlight? Is that supposed to be a highlight or what? Yeah, but this I don't like. I don't like the way it sits on the skin. Let's move on to the lips, shall we? Just make sure they are nice and, you know. Oh, did I just broke it. Oh no, look at that. How? I just stick my finger in there. That was not nice. How did I do that? Luckily I have a sharpener next to me here, so it's not that deep. You know, we can fix that. There's nothing a sharpener can do. And of course it has been fixed. Now I'm going to try to use this one first. Hold on, let me quickly. Oh, no wonder it broke. It feels so soft. Oh wow, it's a very soft formula, which looks like this. I just swatched it for you guys so you can see. Look at that color, beautiful. Yeah, that is really soft. It feels really beautiful. Gorgeous. All right, so let's apply this at the lip liner. Let's see where we go. I like the color actually. I really like the color. Now let's go ahead and apply the lipstick. Alright you guys, so here we have the lipstick on. Of course it's a lip liner. And then together with the highlighters, we have this side here. And then we have, of course, our forehead and the nose. And then we have this side as well. So yeah, that was that. I really am digging this lipstick and the you know, the highlighter this side and this side. She's happy with that. She's really happy. And yeah, this looks beautiful, except this part here, which I can see all the glitters still standing there looking at me, smiling at me. And yeah, this needs to be fixed. And let's see if we get some kind of transfer here, because this is supposed to dry down to completely matte. So let's have a look. I do have a clean hand here. Let's just do a kiss proof to see what we're gonna see in here. So okay, so we do have no product showing up there. Now that is a good thing, because when they say matte, I'm expecting matte. So that is awesome. So yeah, there you have it, you guys. Me testing River de Loop, the best of shimmer highlight palette. And we also have this, of course, combo, you know, liquid lipstick and then lip liner. I'm quite happy with the collection, apart from the gold one, but I'm happy with the rest, which is quite nice, because one out of everything does not work. So yeah, it's better than other way around, you know what I mean. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know down below which one of the highlighters you think looks nice on me. Let me know down below. I would love to hear your feedback, definitely. And also I have this look going on my eyes. If you guys want to see a tutorial on this one, I was just testing out the latest palette from Essence, which is from Santa, which with Love. This one here, I was testing this out. So if you want to see a review and tutorial on this look that I have on the eye look, definitely go check the video. I'm going to link it down below in case you are interested to see on how this palette performs. So yeah, back to our review of the day. So yeah, that was pretty much all, you guys. I am quite happy and I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up. That helps my channel a lot. And also please do subscribe if you haven't done so already, and that helps my channel a lot as well. My goal is to reach 1,000 subscribers before end of the year, so I'm hoping we're almost there, halfway there. Yeah, so when you do that, it really does help my channel a lot, so I appreciate that. Anyway, lots of love, you guys. Thanks so much for watching this one. I will catch you on my next one. Take care and bye for now.